Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation. Chapter 18, Shloka 7, 8 and 9. Verily, the renunciation of obligatory actions is not proper. The abandonment of the same from delusion is declared to be tamasic, dull.
Chapter 18, Shloka 7. नियतस्य तु सन्न्यासः कर्मणो नोपपद्यते मोहात् तस्य परित्यागः तामसः परिकीर्तितः.
He who, from fear of bodily trouble, abandons action because it is painful, thus performing a rajasic passionate abandonment, obtains not the fruit of abandonment.
Chapter 18, Shloka 8. Dukkam ityeva yat karma kaya klesha bhayat tyajet sakritva rajasam tyagam naiva tyaga phalam labet.
Whatever obligatory action is done, O Arjuna, merely because it ought to be done, abandoning attachment and also fruit, that abandonment is regarded as sattvika, pure.
Chapter 18, Shloka 9. Karyam ityeva yat karma niyatam kriyate Arjuna Sangam tyaktva phalam chaiva satyagas satviko matah. Chapter 18, Shloka 7, 8 and 9. Therefore, for a seeker of spiritual liberation, work is unavoidable, and with a proper spirit of tyaga, as explained, work can help him on his path. The tamasic tyag is described. Abandonment of obligatory duties is considered low and harmful. Every individual has obligations to himself and the others in the society. These include the unavoidable daily duties and the special duties that arise on special occasions in the life of an individual and the society. As a member of the society, enjoying the social life and demanding protection and profit from the society, he has no right to abandon obligatory duties. Out of ignorance and lack of proper thinking, if an individual ignores his obligations and refuses to serve the world he is living in, that abandonment is considered as dull, tamasic. Shloka 8. The rajasic tyag is described. The abandonment of obligatory duties because they are painful or through fear of bodily suffering fall under the passionate type rajasic. Performance of obligatory duties is itself the most glorious of all forms, tyag, and the glory is enhanced if it involves a certain amount of sacrifice of one's comfort and personal convenience. Arjuna's hesitating to fight the battle, which was his obligatory duty, falls under the category of Rajasic Tyag. Shloka 9. What then is the Sattvic abandonment? Those who execute all the obligatory duties because they are to be done fall under the Sattvic pure variety. When any inspiring work is undertaken in any field, they provide us with examples of the Sattvic type of abandonment. It is doing actions with the correct mental attitude. It is not so much on what is to be abandoned, but as to how we must abandon and in which field we must act. Tyag condemns abandonment of the world and our duties in it. Tyag is the subjective renunciation of all inner selfishness and desire, which limit the freedom of the individual in any field of activity. Acting in the world outside, renouncing both the ego and the egocentric desires, an individual comes to exhaust his vasanas and grows in his inward purity. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video.
To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.